Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect Photoshop to Shutterstock for on-brand imagery. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your Adobe account. Navigate to the File menu in the top left corner. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preferences window, locate the Plugins section. Check the option to allow scripted plugins to access Photoshop. Click on OK to save your changes. Next, open your web browser and go to the Shutterstock website. Log in to your Shutterstock account using your credentials. Once logged in, search for the type of imagery you need. When you find an image you like, click on it to view its details. Look for the option to download or license the image. Select the appropriate size for your project and complete the licensing process. After downloading, return to Adobe Photoshop. Open the Libraries panel from the window menu if it's not already visible. In the Libraries panel, click on the plus icon to add assets. Select Get Assets and then choose from Shutterstock. Log into your Shutterstock account again if prompted by the pop-up window. Now, browse or search within the Shutterstock interface. Once you find the desired image, click on it. Select Add to your library to save it directly into Photoshop. The image will now appear in your Libraries panel. You can drag and drop the image from the Libraries panel into your canvas. Resize and position the image as needed for your project. Make any additional edits or adjustments to fit your design. Finally, save your work, ensuring you maintain the on-brand imagery for your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.